the SQL count function. The count function returns the number of rows that matches a specified criterion. So for our next example, we are going to specify column. So column name can be specified instead of the asterisk symbol. By doing so, null values will not be counted. Say you want to find the number of products where the product name is not null. So for this example, we will still be using our product table. So select count, product name, from the table product. So there are 8 product name on our product table. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 product name. Another example is add a where clause. It is used to specify conditions. So say for example, we are going to find the number of products where product price is higher than 10,000. So we are going to select and then count product ID from the product table where the product price is greater than 10,000. So we have 3 product ID or products which product price is higher than 1,000. So let's find out on our given table. So we have 1, 2, and 3. 11,000, 14,000, and 16,000. These 3 are higher than 10,000. Another is ignoring duplicates. So duplicates in the database tables can be ignored by using the distinct keyword in the count function. So let's try. If you are going to find out how many different prices are there in the product table, so we have to select and then count. Then we will be using the distinct. So count distinct product price from our product table. So it says that in the given example from the demo table, there are 8 total products with different prices. So let's try to find out. So if we can see all these prices have different, or all these products I should say have different prices. So we have 8 as our output. So we can also use an alias in our count function by using the as keyword. So name the column number of records. So say for example, we are going to name a column as the number of records. So we are going to select count. So we are going to select all by using our asterisk as number of records from our product table. So we have here, so we are counting all the records. So the output table will display the number of records in the sample database table, which is 8. Another example is by using count with group by. So the count function and the group by clause were used to return the number of records for each category in our table. So let's put it in an example. So select count all records as number of records, and then we still be using the supplier ID. It will be our basis for grouping from table product, and then group by supplier ID. The output table displayed the number of records per supplier ID.